Namaskara. Welcome to Vaidya Sangamesh YouTube channel, your trusted source for Ayurvedic wisdom and holistic wellness. Today, let's talk something about that affects most of us, the digital fatigue, constant screen time, endless scrolling, and late night binge watching. All this leads to mental burnout, eye strain, poor sleep, and even anxiety. But don't worry, Ayurveda has timeless tool to help you reclaim your calm through digital detox. Digital detox means consciously reducing your screen time to reconnect with yourself, your surroundings, and your natural rhythm. In Ayurveda, we call this realignment with your Prakriti, your original nature. How Ayurveda helps? Mind body sync through Dinacharya. Start with a simple Dinacharya or daily routine. Wake up during Brahma Muhurta before sunrise. Avoid checking your phone for first hour. Instead, try Gandusha, what is called as eye pulling, gentle yogasanas or meditation or dhyana. Eye care with Netra Tarpana and Trifala. Our eyes suffer the most from screen overuse. Cleanse and rejuvenate them with Netra Tarpana or Trifala eye wash. It removes digital strain and nourishes vision. Herbs like Brahmi and Mandukaparni calm the nervous system. A warm Brahmi tea in the evening helps your mind unwind after a long digital day. Vata imbalance through diet and lifestyle. Excess screen time increases Vata dosha, leading to restlessness, dryness, and insomnia. Balance it with warm, oily, nourishing foods like ghee, milk, dates, and herbal teas. The night routine: 1 hour before bed, no screens. Listen to soothing music. Apply foot oil, or which is called as Padabhyanga, with sesame oil, that is Tila Taila, and practice gentle breathing techniques. This supports deep restorative sleep called Sukha Nidra in Ayurveda. Digital detox isn't just about cutting off devices, it's about reconnecting your breath, your senses, and with yourself. Start small. Even 15 screen free minutes daily can bring a big change. Follow these simple Ayurvedic tips and gift your mind the peace it deserves. If you find this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our Vaidya Sangamesh YouTube channel for more Ayurvedic wellness wisdom. Thank you. Jai Hind.